In this video, I'll show you how to add a subpage to your Wix website. Subpages are a great way to organize your content and group related pages under one main section. Start by opening the Wix editor. On the left-hand panel, click Pages and Menu. Here, you'll see your site menu, which lists all of your main pages. To create a subpage, first add a new page. You can select from a template or just create a blank page. For this example, I'll add a blank page and name it Shop Subpage. By default, this new page will appear as a main page. To turn it into a subpage, simply drag it underneath the main page you want it to belong to, in this case, the Shop page. Then click the three dots next to the page name and select Set as Subpage. You'll notice it shifts slightly to the right, showing that it's now nested under the Shop page. There's also a quicker method. Instead of using the three-dot menu, just drag the page slightly to the right, under the Shop page, and Wix will automatically make it a subpage. If you ever want to undo this, just drag the page back to the left, and it will return to being a main page. And that's it. You've created a subpage in Wix. It's a simple way to keep your site organized and make navigation easier for your visitors.